In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add embed form from Klaviyo into Shopify Gempages. We will start inside your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you are logged in, look to the left-hand menu and click on Sign Up Forms. This is where your existing forms are managed. From there, select the form you want to place on your Shopify page. After opening the form, go to the Targeting and Behavior tab on the left side. In this section, you will need to set the form type to embed. This is important because an embedded form is designed to sit directly inside a page, instead of appearing as a pop-up or flyout. Once the form type is set to embed, Klaviyo will provide an HTML snippet for that form. Copy that snippet carefully because you will paste it into Shopify in the next part. Before leaving Klaviyo, click Publish in the top right corner. Publishing makes sure your latest form settings and embedded version are live and ready to use. Next, move over to your Shopify admin dashboard. After logging in, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your active theme and click the Edit Theme button next to it. This will open the theme editor where you can place custom content into your storefront. Now navigate to the page and the specific section where you want the form to appear. Take a moment here to choose the location carefully so the form fits naturally with the rest of your page layout. Once you are in the right area, click Add Section or Add Block in the left sidebar depending on how your theme is structured. Then select Custom Liquid. This option allows you to insert custom code directly into the page. Inside the Custom Liquid area, paste the embed form code you copied from Klaviyo. Make sure the full snippet is inserted properly so the form can render as expected on the page. After that, click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. At this point, your Klaviyo embed form should now be added to your Shopify page through the theme editor. If needed, you can preview the page to confirm the form displays correctly and matches the surrounding design. That covers everything you need to know.